Hi, and welcome to today's video, the different types of seizures. First, I'd like to answer an obvious question of what are seizures? Seizures occur when there is an abnormal surge of electrical activity in the brain due to chemical changes in the nerve cells. Well, what does this mean? The brain has electricity running through it all the time. There is a balance. When this balance is thrown off, either too much excitement or not enough excitement, the electrical balance will then cause a surge. The cells in the brain will start misfiring and a seizure will occur. What are the different types of seizures, though? Seizures come in two general categories. We have generalized seizures, which affect the whole brain, and partial or focal seizures, which only affect a certain part of the brain. Generalized seizures tend to occur in four different seizure types: absent seizures, tonic-clonic seizures, myoclonic seizures, and atonic seizures. Absent seizures are described as a result in a blank stare, usually lasting less than 10 seconds. The seizure starts and ends abruptly, and awareness is impaired during the seizure. In other words, a person who's having an absent seizure may not know that they are having the seizure, and just as well, if you're talking to them, they may seem like they're ignoring you, but they're not. They're actually having a seizure, and if you recognize this in a person, stay with them, as when they wake up or come back to from the seizure, they may wonder what has happened. A tonic-clonic seizure has two phases. It actually has four phases, but for the sake of this video, it has two phases. The tonic phase typically involves a crying out or a groan, the loss of awareness, and a fall, as consciousness is lost and muscles stiffen. The clonic phase typically involves convulsions and there's jerking and twitching in all four limbs. A myoclonic seizure results in a sudden jerk of a part of the body, such as the arm or leg. The person may fall over, and a person is generally aware and conscious of their surroundings during this type of seizure. An atonic seizure involves a sudden loss of muscle tone that can result in a person falling down, dropping objects, or nodding the head involuntarily. Atonic seizures are also referred to as drop attacks, as they can occur without warning at any place or any time. A person who has atonic seizures may need to wear a helmet to protect their head in case of fall or injury. Let's move on to partial seizures. Partial seizures, or focal seizures, occur in two different seizure types: simple partial and complex partial. A simple partial seizure is a seizure that occurs in one part of the brain and results in the person remaining aware during the seizure. It can involve sensory, motor, psychic, or autonomic symptoms. A complex partial seizure occurs in one part of the brain as well, and during which the person experiences altered awareness. The person may appear dazed and confused. So now that you know the different seizure types and how to tell them apart, and hopefully the next time you come across someone having a seizure, you'll be better prepared and more able to help them